Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for March 26th. It's not a surprise to anyone that it's a headline driven market, and the last 2 or 3 days have just been consolidation with a gap up every single day. So, on the larger time frames, you guys already know on the weekly charts, we are between 9 and 50 week moving average. This is a crucial week. We discussed it in the weekly watch list already. What about on the smaller time frames? On the daily charts, we are trying to see if that last Friday was a bottom or not. Every single day of this week, we have got a gap and just sideways action with none of those gaps being filled. So the gap on Friday, right, you guys can see this was an island day. Tuesday was an island day. And then yesterday was an island day as well. And today we are likely going to gap again. Again, as I discussed yesterday, these kind of gap ups and downs on both sides is usually signifying a bottoming pattern because it's buyers and sellers trying to take over and neither being able to. All right, so it signifies usually consolidation. Whether that relieves itself on a breakout to the upside or the downside is yet to be seen. So just something to keep in mind. Obviously, based on yesterday's action, the neutral territory on QQQ is going to be pretty straightforward. Right here, right? If we can get above 592 area, we can get to 595 and 598. If we stay below this 586 area, the levels are 583 and 580. Given the fact that we're already gapping down to around 583, there's not much more I can say. All right, we're in the bearish territory until we get above 586. So that's your structure and your levels for QQQ. Now, one thing I wanted to point out